children from New Jersey, New York, and Connecticut. I love you too. And I know that you've earned me tonight the Choice Award, and my sincere thanks to Children's Choice and Valley Scholarship